Now I'm going to make a bird trap. This is a trap. So, some guys. Yeah. You need a cardboard box and a rubber band and a stick, 2 sticks. Now you are going to put a hole and tie the rubber band here like this and like this. And you are going to take a stick like this. Stick like this. And see this? If it goes inside, sometimes it will be like this. Yeah. Now, keep the sharp pointed one down and keep. Sometimes if you catch here, it will fall like this. So do not keep a stone at the top. Just do like this. It takes. You should be patient. You need the help of someone. Yeah, you should keep the stick here like this. It should be standing like this. And put some rice inside and keep in a place where bird can't. Think. This is a bird. This circle thing is a bird. Put on this. Oh, it works. I will show you once more. Yeah, like this. And this is a bird. Okay. No, this will not fit. Yeah. Think this is a bird once more. Wait a minute. Yeah. No. Yeah. It's done. And like, share and subscribe. Thank you to watch my video. Bye bye.